Hello everybody. I received the Echo Park Mystery Warehouse box today. I was able to purchase it for $45 and free shipping because I subscribed to the monthly boxes. You know, one's the big 12 by 12 box, and I'll link to my last video I did on that. And then one is the card making one, which I just finished doing a video on that one for April. But this, so it was $45 and free shipping, and I'll show you everything. I'm going to show you the little odds and ends or the smaller pieces first, and then we'll go through all the 12 by 12 paper kits that I received. First of all, there's this really pretty mermaid washi. I love that. There is a 6 by 6 paper pad called I Love My Cat, and some days I do not. I'm just going to be honest about that. So there are some cut apart tags, and there are different, they're all double-sided, of course. And I think this is going to repeat for sure. Yep, it starts all over. And there's more than one. So there's probably 4 sets because it's 24 double-sided sheets. And it looks like 6 different patterns. So it's probably 4 of each. And probably this one's the same way. We'll see. This one is called, Little Lumberjack. And this is Lori Whitlock. I don't know who designed the other one. Didn't say a designer on it. This one I really love. Look at that. Those bears. And there's some solid colors mixed in, which I love. And some wood grain and plaids. I mean, this would be great for Christmas even. Really cute. Look at those wood slices, tree slices. And there's some cut aparts. And then we're starting all over. Nope, that's not it. Okay. So there must be more. Yeah, there's more designs with this one. More different designs, I should say. More unique designs? I don't know. Here are some sticky back brads. They call them Adhesive Brads. And this is from the Summertime collection. These are 4 by 6 journaling type cards, pocket page cards. But they're also cute to use for other things. So there's December, and then they're double-sided. There's going to be something on the back that's perfectly usable for scrapbooking, mini albums, card making. And there are 2 of each of these designs, I believe, as we go through. August. Today was totally awesome. That's cute. July. June. Of course, I'm going backwards. May. April. March. February. January. And then it's going to start over again. So there's a whole set of those. There is also a set of smaller journaling cards. So these are the 3 by 4 journaling cards. And these aren't the months. These are all different. You Are My Heart. These are pretty. Smile. I feel like these are kind of Disney-esque colors also. Life Documented. And this says, So Happy Together Always. Cute. Okay, so these would even really be cute on the front of a card. Doesn't have to be scrapbooking or memory keeping. Do one thing every day that makes you happy. This looks like an old library card. It's cute. Fun times together. Home is wherever I'm with you. Cute. Day in the life. And then it starts over again. So there are 2 of each of these designs also. Okay. There's some enamel dots that go with the Summertime collection. There are some puffy stickers for the all-girl collection. Really pretty. Look at that unicorn. There are some paper fans, and I think these are the same paper fans that I received last time. There's only one set, thank goodness, because I don't know what to do with these. I mean, I suppose on the front of a chipboard mini album, and maybe you could cover this round part up for some other theme if you needed to. Here are some embossing folders. This one is Rockets, and it's for the Petticoats and Pinstripes collection. And this one is some Old World compasses. I don't know if you can see that very well. And this is from the Old World Travel, which I do have that collection, I think, from the last box. And I've used very little of it for some masculine cards. This is a fall chipboard accents, and here's a Christmas one. Okay, let's get some of this out of the way, and then I'll bring the paper in. Okay, there were some individual papers, which I do like receiving these, because if you want to make a set of cards, matching cards, it's really easy to do. And this is from the collection that's called Sweet Girl by Lori Whitlock. And this is what it looks like on the back. And there are 5 of these sheets. Really pretty. There are 2 of these little cut-aparts, which I probably will to store them because they start falling out. And this is for the Pirate collection. Is it called Pirates? What's it called? Echo Park Direct Cut Sheets. Okay, it does not say which collection, but I have this collection, and I don't know if it's called Pirates or Adventure or something. But anyway, I have it, so these will go with that. And then there's another one that is for one of the travel ones. I don't know if this is Old World Traveler or a different one. But anyway, that's really cute too. The next collection, I've taken these out of the package because I just didn't want you to be blinded. I have this collection. I'm so happy to have more of it because it's almost gone. This is the Spring Market. So pretty. It was one of the monthly kits if you subscribed. So there's a cut-apart sheet. There's 2 of those, okay. And so it's the wood grain on the other side. Here's this, I love these roses on this dark background, and I really love this one too. So there's 2 of each sheet, and I think there's going to be 12. And this is a pale wood grain, like a whitewashed wood grain. Oh, look at that one, how pretty. I've seen this before, but I do like them. And I love those little planter boxes. And this is like a peachy color. You've got a green check. And look at that one. Pretty. And then you have the element sheet too, just like with all of them. Okay, so that's Spring Market. And this next one is called Birthday Wishes. There are 2 birthday wishes. One is in the pinks and the yellows, and then the other one is greens and blues. So let's see. We've got a cut-apart sheet, a really cute birthday girl, Make-A-Wish. I love that. And then we've got some birthday candles and another. Okay, so the first sheet that comes with it is a cut-apart sheet, which I do like because you don't really need to save that. Then we've got some cupcakes, and this is the back. It says Happy Birthday Party on some balloons. Got a diagonal stripe and then a pink pattern on the back. Some birthday hats and yellow polka dots, yellow with white polka dots. Got a polka dot pattern and a stripe that's orangey. And then this, I'm not a clown person. Does anybody else feel that way? I'm just not fond of clowns. And a scallop on the back. And then here is the, I don't know why my camera's doing that. I apologize. I saw that white flash. And here's the element sheet or the sticker sheet. Okay, so that's the female version or the pinky version. And then we have the blues and the greens. It is the exact same thing, but it is just blues and greens. So you've got the birthday candles and the cut-aparts. And just different colors, that's all. Oh, I like those stars. I think that is different. I think the other one was a yellow polka dot, if I remember. And then you have the element sheet. Let's see what that looks like. Same thing, just the different colors. I really like that. Those options. Okay, this next collection is called The Great Outdoors. And it reminds me of the country kitchen one that we're going to look at here in just a minute. So it's like a camping theme. And these are the thick Cartabella papers. Oh, look at that. I really like that pattern. Clouds. Pretty. Some wildlife. Some daisies. There's a cut-apart sheet, some stripes, some fishing lures, and let's see, here's strips too. I love the buffalo. Oh, look at that, full sheet. And then I don't know what that is. Some lanterns maybe? I don't know. Are these scout things? I don't know anything about Scouts, I'm afraid. And another plaid. Great outdoors. Cute. These seem to be all different. Camp rules. Oh, I really like this. Look at that. Camp run amok. Some florals. The night sky. Oh, pretty. Fish. Definitely get some use out of that. This looks like a woven basket. Some canoes. Here is the map to the whole Camp run amok. And then here is the extra sticker sheet or element sheet. Really cute. Okay, the next one is that country kitchen I was telling you about. And I really do like this one. I have some of this already. And I also have it in a paper pad that I found at Tuesday Morning, I believe, about a year ago. And I've made some recipe books out of this. Look at this. In the 12 by 12, it's really nice and big. Down on the farm. I think I used part of this as a cover on a recipe book that I have in my Etsy shop. Stripe. Some chickens. You see how this kind of has the same feel to it, kind of vintagey feel. And here are some recipe cards and a wish list, and really cute. And then on the back. Best tasting beef cookbook. That's cute. And some old looking appliances, vintagey looking appliances. Oh, some more chickens. So this is a little bit different, some of this, than the paper pad that I have. It's similar, but it also, it's Cartabella, so it's that thick textured paper, and that's not what came in the paper pack. Okay, and let's see what the sticker sheet looks like. Pretty. I love this. Okay, so there is Country Kitchen. This one is Good Day Sunshine, and I feel like all the summery things I already have from Echo Park will work with this. And there's cut-aparts on the back of the front sheet. Again, I like that. There's a stripe with some cut-aparts on the back. Same ones. Here's a floral and a check. There's two of those. Oh, look at the swimsuits and the flip-flops. So cute. And this is Laughter Summer Sun Sprinklers. Really cute. There's two of those. Popsicles on one side. Polka dots on the other. RVs on one side. Let's see what's on the other. Can't get a grip of that. And then a green pattern on the other side. These look like lemonade stands. Fresh squeezed lemonade. Cute. And then on the back are some lemons and cherries. And then let's see what this element sheet is. This sticker sheet looks like. Oh, I really like that. Relax and unwind. Get into a summer state of mind. Cute. Okay, so there's that collection, which is called Good Day Sunshine. And I think this is the last one. This one's called Getaway. So that might be what that element sheet that I had before goes to. Really cute. Okay, Getaway. And who designed this one? It doesn't say. This is the sticker sheets in front. Yeah, because there's the Eiffel Tower. Love that. Here's some more compasses and tickets on the back. Some fleur-de-lis and a strip. Not all who wander are lost. Cute. Some polka dots. More Eiffel Towers. I love this pattern. I don't know what you call it, but it's really pretty and muted. And globes. Oh, some old script. I always love that. This is like a mustard color. And some numbers on the back. Another pattern. Oh, and look at the map. Chart of the world, it says. Really pretty. Again, I hate to cut that up for cards, but that's probably what's going to happen. Some airplanes. I don't know. I need to do another Use That Pretty Paper for May. I don't know which of these, but one of these is probably going to be featured in that video to see how much I can use out of this, out of the collection. Oh, look at those. Isn't that beautiful? I really see a mini album with this. Gorgeous. Okay, if you have an opinion about which one I should use for Use That Pretty Paper, let me know. But I'm excited to use most everything in here. I think the paper fans are the only thing I just don't have a clue what to do with. Otherwise, I'm really excited. I will link below to the last 2 Echo Park subscription box videos that I did, so you can see those and see if you want to subscribe. If you do, you just, or go and at least get on their email list so that you know when these boxes are coming up again. Thanks so much, everybody, for watching. Happy crafting.